Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to combine partitions in Windows 10, so you can merge your drives into a single larger volume quickly and safely. Step 1. Back up all important files from the drive you want to delete. This is crucial because deleting the drive will erase all its data, and having a backup ensures you don't lose anything important. Step 2. At the taskbar, search for Disk Management and select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions, or right-click this PC or My Computer, choose Manage, and under Storage, select Disk Management. This tool allows you to view and manage all your drives and partitions. Step 3. In the Disk Management window, locate the drive you want to delete, usually the one with fewer files or the one you backed up. Right-click on it and choose Delete Volume to free up space for merging. Step 4. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes when prompted. The drive will now show as unallocated space, which is necessary before it can be merged with another partition. Step 5. Right-click on the drive you want to merge the deleted volume into, and select Extend Volume. This allows the selected drive to absorb the unallocated space. Step 6. The Extend Volume wizard will open. Click Next to proceed. The deleted volume will be automatically selected, making it easy to merge without manually choosing the space. Step 7. Review the selected space. You can resize it if needed, but to merge the full size, leave it as it is and click Next. This ensures you combine all the available space into one drive. Step 8. Click Finish to complete the merge. The deleted volume is now added to your selected drive. The total size of the drive will now reflect the combined space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.